The regulatory stuff is a real concern as well. Obviously, privacy concerns, things like that, are driving countries and local governments and state governments to change the rules in terms of how the data is going to be protected. And it's much easier to do that, to maintain compliance, if you have control over the physical servers. And I think many of the enterprises are thinking about that now as well. So the next issue would be increasing demand for GPU capacity. A substantial percentage of enterprises plan to secure dedicated GPU capacity outside of the public cloud to effectively manage their AI workloads. So this is indicating a shift where businesses are investing in on-prem resources to meet their computational needs rather than depending on fluctuating GPU availability from the public cloud providers. So if GPUs are going to be the key to everything with AI, and I don't believe that's going to be the case in many instances. I think a lot of AI is going to be deployed on traditional CPUs, and it's going to be perfectly fine. But okay, say you need GPU capacity, for whatever reason to support your workload, your capacity is going to be much more economically viable if you own the GPUs outright. And obviously we had a big rush on the market a couple of years ago. Everybody went out and hoarded the GPUs, and they're sitting in data centers, things like that. Not saying that. I'm just saying you look at all alternatives, including owning the hardware, including secondary cloud providers, CoreWeave, GPU as a service providers, and then the public cloud providers, and you pick the best, most viable option that's going to return the most value back to the business. So next would be the movement to hybrid strategies, which are on the rise.